Hello and welcome back to the Ultra HD Gamer, and this is a quick video on how I make my money, although it's not a lot of money at all, and it is in gift cards. I use an app called S'more that's only for Android phones, and I use this $16 ZTE junk phone, because why not, and I earn about $5 of either an eBay or Amazon gift card or any other gift card every month and a half or so. And I mean, it's not bad, as all I need to do is turn on the phone and wait for the ad to load, and then I just don't have to touch the phone anymore, and I make money eventually. So it takes a bit of time and patience, but you can earn a bit of money. And if you want to earn more money and earn your money quicker, you can download apps for up to 25 points a day. A gift card, a $5 gift card, costs 500 points, so you can earn a gift card a whole lot quicker by lock screen ads and downloading apps and referring friends and stuff. Anyway, that's all I need to say. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to. And yeah, this is also going to be a bit of an update video for anyone who is a subscriber. So I plan on uploading my 53-cent graphics card video. Sorry for the interruption. There was something going on that I had to attend to. But yeah, I have to get through a few tests this week, and then I'll upload that graphics card benchmark video that I plan on making. I have to first make the not make the benchmarks, but do the benchmarks on the 53-cent Quadro FX 380, and then finally edit the video and upload it. But yeah, that's just my quick YouTube update. I did not really upload that much too because I was busy, very busy this week. Anyway, thanks for watching, and thanks for being a subscriber if you're a subscriber, or thanks for watching if you're not a subscriber and you made it this far and you were able to take my terrible quality without cringing so bad that you kind of ended the video. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye. It's pretty late for me. It's 11:10. Okay.